Have you ever wondered how we can look at a giant pile of data and pull out one single specific number? Not just a guess, not just a trend, but an actual value. It honestly sounds like a superpower, right? But it's actually a statistical tool that's way more intuitive than you might think. So let's break down how it all works.
I mean, really think about it for a second. How do you predict the exact price a house is going to sell for next month? Or the precise temperature tomorrow at 3 p.m.? We're not talking about a simple yes or no question here. We need a number. So, how in the world do they do that?
Well, the answer to that big question is a technique called regression. And I know, the phrase statistical method can sound a little intimidating, but the core idea behind it is something you probably already do in your head every single day.
Okay, so here's the official definition, but don't let it scare you. Regression analysis is simply the tool data scientists grab when the thing they want to predict isn't a category, like is this a cat or a dog, but a number that can be anything along a spectrum, like a price, a temperature, or a test score.
Here's a super simple way to think about it. If the question you're asking starts with how much or how many, chances are you're looking at a regression problem. It's all about figuring out a specific quantity.
So this all sounds kind of academic, right? But where does this actually show up in the real world? You'd be amazed. Regression is working behind the scenes pretty much all the time, influencing tons of decisions you see every day.
For example, think about a real estate website trying to price a house. It takes all this data, square footage, number of bedrooms, location, past sales, and feeds it into a model to predict a really specific listing price. It's the exact same logic that businesses use to forecast their sales for the next quarter, or that meteorologists use to tell you tomorrow's high temperature. All of these are regression problems.
And this is the absolute key, the crucial point. We're not looking for a vague idea or a general trend. We are on the hunt for a single, specific, actionable number. We want to know the exact price, the exact salary, the exact temperature. Precision is really the name of the game here.
So, a regression model isn't going to say, oh, that's a pretty expensive house. No way. It's going to spit out something concrete like this, 45 lakh rupees. Now, that is a number you can actually use. You can put it in a report, on a website, in a spreadsheet. It's tangible.
Okay, so we get what it is and why it's so useful. But how does a computer actually look at all that old data and just come up with a number for the future? Well, the intuition behind it is actually surprisingly simple.
At its very heart, regression is just a pattern-finding machine. That's it. It looks at all the examples you give it, like all those past house sales, and it tries to figure out the hidden relationship between a house's features and what it eventually sold for.
So how does it find that pattern? By drawing a line. Seriously, imagine plotting all your data points on a graph. Regression's only job is to find the one single line that best fits that data, the one that snakes its way through all the points as closely as possible. That best fit line is what becomes your prediction tool. You can use it to see where a totally new data point would probably land.
Now, that idea of a best fit line is the main thing you need to remember. But in the real world, there isn't just one single way to draw that line. Data scientists have a whole toolkit of different methods, or what we call algorithms, to find the best possible line for their specific type of data.
The most famous one is probably linear regression, which, you guessed it, draws a straight line. But what if the pattern in your data is all curvy and complicated? Well, then you might use something like polynomial regression to draw a curved line instead. The big takeaway is just that there's a different tool for every kind of pattern.
So to wrap this all up, here's the most important thing to remember. Regression is this incredibly powerful bridge that takes a whole history of what has already happened, all that raw data, and it transforms it into a specific numerical prediction of what's likely to happen next. It literally turns information into foresight.